Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. So guys, today in this video I am going to share you Snapdragon Performance APK with set edit aiming commands. But before starting the video guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you want to support me and my channel, you can feel free to donate small amount of money to keep the live and active this channel. Simply donate with thanks button, I would be grateful to you. So guys, let's come into the topic. As you all know, Snapdragon is the most powerful processor for gaming, and that is why I want to share this app with lots of script for your device. This app will support all Android version and all games. If you are facing FPS drops or lagging issue, then I highly recommend to use this app, because this app will boost your FPS and performance systematically and make your game super smooth. So guys, let me show the full tutorial for using app and script. First, download the app and follow my process step by step. Make sure don't skip the video guys. Copy all this code commands to make the Snapdragon app APK work, so that your device will be ultra smooth and have more best performance. So guys, this next trick will be the best tweaks for your gaming. It will fix your gaming lag and boost your CPU and GPU to increase FPS while playing games. So guys, the applying process is a little bit hard, so please watch video carefully and don't skip the video to avoid any kind of mistakes. Some of people doesn't watch full video and complain that script is not working. So I recommend you to watch full video. So guys, let me show you how you can apply this method effectively. First, download the script, guys. Then organize the file, extract the zip file and go to Android and Data. Create a folder and name it COM Android System Config Booster. Now find COM Android System Config Booster. Create folder, rename it config, and next, inside the config, create new folder and rename it config tar as. Next, go back to your download folder and copy-paste the two script inside of config tar as. I hope you guys can follow it carefully and you won't make a mistake, because this is very important to make your phone have more Fs and speed up performance. Just do it, copy-paste the two script inside of config tar as. After you paste the two script, compress this file and rename it to config tar as. Then delete the two existing files. Next, copy the zip file, then paste it to your all games files. That name stand for files. This is the sample that I made. Just follow it carefully, guys, so you don't make a mistake. So that's it for now, guys. I hope it works for you. And if you want all the scripts for set edit, when our video reaches 200 likes, I will put all the code for the Snapdragon tweaks. If our video helped and worked for you, don't forget to like and subscribe, and click the notification bell and comment on what other suggestion you have. Thank you. Guys, see you on next video.
Mm.